So, last weekend, my family and I attended my cousin Jess's wedding. Everything was going smoothly, the vows were sweet, and the cake was towering like a sugary Eiffel Tower. As we settled into the reception, the DJ announced it was time for the bride and groom's first dance. Jess had been raving about their song choice for weeks, some romantic ballad I can't recall. But as the lights dimmed and the newlyweds took the floor, the speakers blasted not a sweet melody but an oddly familiar sound, like a walrus snoring, complete with grunts and wheezes. Everyone was stunned, but the real kicker came when the groom, Mike, burst into uncontrollable laughter. Turns out, it was the exact sound he makes when his sleep apnea kicks in, a fact Jess hilariously confirmed with a nod. The room erupted, and they ended up dancing to the Walrus Symphony, creating a viral moment. As I left, I overheard Mike,